Hello there, I'm Mike, and today I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about ErecPrime before buying it. I also have some crucial warnings so you don't waste your money and compromise your health. Assuming you want everything to work perfectly, stick with me and pay close attention to what I have to say. The first warning you need to know about ErecPrime is to be cautious about the website where you're going to buy it. The original ErecPrime is only sold on the official website. You won't find ErecPrime in any other local stores, pharmacies, or online shops. To help you out, I've left the link to the official website in the description below this video. So, what is ErecPrime? Is ErecPrime better than other supplements on the market? ErecPrime is a revolutionary supplement with a carefully selected premium formula of 8 natural ingredients. It's designed for those who have struggled to improve their performance in bed and can reignite the intimacy flame. ErecPrime addresses the root of the problem, working in harmony to enhance not only your erection but also stamina, libido, and overall health. The significant difference is that it stimulates nitric oxide production without creating dependence or damaging blood vessels, leading to a substantial increase in blood flow to the cavernous bodies. And the results? Users have reported more intense and rapid excitement, a fierce appetite for their partner, increased strength, resulting in firmer erections and higher quality orgasms. The playtime isn't limited to just 5 minutes, with no concerns about size or a limp member, reaching a whole new level. Moreover, the benefits extend beyond the bedroom: more energy, mental clarity, and peaceful sleep. All achieved safely, overcoming any erectile dysfunction. It's essential to know that ErecPrime is rigorously tested under strict and precise sterile standards, manufactured in a GMP-certified and FDA-approved laboratory. Every bottle of ErecPrime sold comes with a 100% 60-day satisfaction guarantee. If you don't start feeling better, stronger, with more energy and sexual desire than ever, they'll refund your purchase without asking questions. Certainly, ErecPrime is a safe and effective supplement that has already helped thousands of men improve their overall health. However, it's crucial to recognize that reactions may vary due to the uniqueness of each body. Take ErecPrime as directed and be disciplined in its use. Most people start feeling results after the first week, but in clinical tests, the best results appear when you consistently take ErecPrime for 3 months or more. This gives time to cleanse, restore, and renew for a satisfying sexual experience, regardless of your age. But remember, to overcome the barrier of time and regain the vigor you had at 23, it's crucial to acquire only the original ErecPrime to enjoy all the benefits, the link to which can be found in the description of this video. I hope I've helped, and don't be afraid to make a positive change.